Hi, this is Kalpana and thank you so much for showing interest in my face yoga teacher training course. So I am a yoga and face yoga practitioner and a trainer. For the last 6 years, I have been running my yoga studio successfully and helping women transform naturally inside and outside. But let me tell you something honestly. When I started, I had zero knowledge, no background, no support, no mentor. So I started from a scratch. So in my face yoga teacher training course, I'm going to teach women who wants to start their career as a face yoga teacher, or if you have already yoga background, you want to upgrade your skill, how to start with zero or with no knowledge. Okay, let's talk about the teacher training course, what you are going to learn. Okay, so in my face yoga TTC course, we'll also learn skincare in details. So we are going to cover what is face yoga if you have no idea about it, how it's related with traditional yoga, facial anatomy. If you know about the muscles functioning, you can deliver better results in the classes. So these are the real issues which I have learned from my face yoga members. So I have divided into 4 categories. I am going to teach each and everything in details in the course. Very important face yoga tools. Everybody have the tools, but they don't know how to use it. So I'm going to teach with Guasha face massager how you can use on in the for the lifting, for drainage, and to reduce the puffiness. We'll work on posture alignment, some breathing techniques so that you can relax the people, anti-aging points, acupressure push, Ayurvedic skincare and diet, which is very important to cure and heal the people. You will give them very good results if you have knowledge about the diet and skincare. My people love it, so I'm going to teach in my TTC. And then professional teaching, business setup, and assessment. So, if you are looking for upgrade your skill, you are eligible for this course. Okay, about the dates and timing. So I'm going to start this course from 9 March. It will be 1 month course. Classes will be Monday to Saturday, and the timings, very important part. We are starting with 2 batches. So we are going to start with English batch and Hindi batch. English batch timing is morning 11 to 12 India time, and you can convert in your own time zone. Now, if you are not available at that time, we have one evening batch as well, which is Hindi batch 8 to 9, taken by the other trainer. Now the question is that the timings are not suitable for us. We have other option. If you send more inquiries about other timings, I can start afternoon batch for you and on the required timings. So don't worry about that. We are open to change the timings on inquiry basis. Not only that, you will get the recording definitely of the live session which I will deliver. You can watch at night or another day, and if you need any support, I'm always available. If you have any doubt, you will get live WhatsApp support or you can talk to me. I will support you throughout the journey. Yes, absolutely. Certification is valid. When you complete our face yoga teacher training, you receive certification from Cosmic Consciousness Foundation, a registered organization under the Government of India and Ministry of Corporate Affairs. So this means your certification is authentic, recognized, and professionally valuable. We also run other courses under this foundation, which is pranic healing courses, chakra healing courses, yoga courses, level 1, level 2. If you want to upgrade your skill, this is your time. Join my teacher training course and contact on the given number. If you have any other query, you can please comment, WhatsApp on the given number to the Mansi ma'am. She will share all the details. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the classes soon. Take care.